After 28 dramatic days in court, Diddy's criminal trial has taken a major turn. No more witnesses, no more surprises. So what does this mean for the bad boy mogul's fate? Buckle up, because closing arguments are just around the corner, and the jury's decision could be game-changing. After nearly a month of gripping testimony, the courtroom battle involving Sean Diddy Combs has reached a critical point. Both the prosecution and the defense have officially rested their cases in the high-profile criminal trial unfolding in New York. On Tuesday, federal prosecutors concluded their presentation with their 34th and final witness, a special agent from Homeland Security Investigations. Surprisingly, Diddy's defense team chose not to call a single witness. The music mogul himself opted not to testify, but he did make a brief remark in court stating that he was doing good and took a moment to compliment the judge for conducting the trial with excellence. Following the formalities, Diddy's legal team submitted a routine motion to dismiss the charges outright, an unlikely request typically made before jury deliberations begin. Their argument? That the prosecution had failed to prove the allegations beyond a reasonable doubt. However, the reality is this case now rests in the hands of a jury. Closing arguments are scheduled for Thursday, and there's a chance deliberations could begin as early as Friday. But with the July 4th holiday on the horizon, a verdict might not be delivered until sometime next week. Prosecutor Maureen Comey, known for her commanding presence during closings, is expected to lead the government's final argument. On the defense side, it's still unclear which attorney will take center stage, but reports suggest the defense's closing could stretch up to 4 hours. As the final arguments draw near, the courtroom and the public brace for a conclusion that could significantly impact the future of one of hip-hop's most iconic figures. What do you think the jury will decide? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our full coverage of the verdict when it drops. And if you appreciate in-depth breakdowns like this, consider sending us a super thanks to support independent reporting.